Hi, welcome back to Yee's Kitchen. I'm so happy to see you here today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I am going to be making some beef stir fry. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know down below how you like it. Let's get started. These are the ingredients for this recipe. Thinly slice the beef, making sure to go against the grain. Crush or mince 3 cloves of garlic. Place it in a bowl and set it aside. Place the sliced beef into a bowl. Now we will marinate the beef with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. This will help make the beef more tender and juicy. Cover the beef and allow it to marinate at least 30 minutes. Pour the oyster sauce, soy sauce, cornstarch, water, and a pinch of salt and pepper into a small bowl. Whisk all these ingredients together and set the sauce aside. Now let's prepare the vegetables. Cut the broccoli into smaller florets. Cut the zucchini in half and then thinly slice each side. Cut the carrot in half and then thinly slice each side. Slice half an onion into thin strips. Add a small amount of cooking oil into a heated pan and fry the garlic. Be sure not to burn the garlic. Add the marinated beef and fry until fully cooked. Then add the onion and fry it with the beef until the onion has softened. This allows for a more fragrant onion flavor in your stir fry. Then add the rest of the vegetables into the pan. Fold all ingredients and mix together. Cook and stir periodically to allow even cooking. Add a pinch of salt and pepper or the desired amount to taste. Once the vegetables are cooked and has reached the desired tenderness, it is time to add the sauce. Whisk the sauce mixture as the ingredients will have separated and then pour it into the pan. Stir until the sauce has thickened. Now we can enjoy our juicy beef and vegetable stir fry. And here we have our beef stir fry. It could be served with some white rice or some fried rice or anything else. It could be eaten as is as well. So let's give it a try. Get some vegetables and with some of the beef. That's delicious. I love the veggies when it's still crunchy like that, not overcooked. And the sauce is great as well. Let's have some rice with that. Delicious. Here you have it, beef stir fried. Now be sure to subscribe for more quick and easy recipes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.